Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new 36 Aquila. This particular model is relatively new to the product lineup. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat and I'll give you some highlights on it. Of course, the boat is outboard powered, so you've got some benefits there. Very low maintenance on the outboards. This particular one has got the big 350s. Very little draft on the boat, and it's capable of reaching about 40 miles an hour. So in the back of the boat, and actually through the entire cockpit, we've got the sea deck right here, comfortable seating on the back, and you can board the boat from the port or the starboard side. So if you're docking and stuff like that, depending on where you're getting your slip, it makes it very easy to get on and off the boat. But tremendous amount of room. So if you're a large family or have a lot of friends that go out with you, this boat is ideal for entertaining. Huge beam to it, tremendous amount of storage all the way around. Also, if you're doing some diving and things along that line, it's easy to get up and down here with your tanks on. We've got our refrigerator right here, wet bar. This one's equipped with the Raymarine Hybrid Touch Mercury Vessel View and digital throttle and shift, of course, and VHF radio. This one does have the optional cockpit helm air conditioning, which is very, very nice. This is pretty cool too. You get separate berths on each side. So this is the one on the port with its own head right here. And then we've got the same identical layout here. So if you'll have a little bit larger family or traveling with a couple, this makes it kind of nice. As far as privacy and things along that line. Going to the front of the boat, we talked about tons of seating and entertainment. This thing definitely has it. So very nice boat, very, very popular, great hardtop, big sunroof. So to recap, this is a new 36 Aquila offered by MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. My phone number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.